Hello guys, this is William here. I know it's been long since I posted a new video. I'm really sorry for that, but life happened and I didn't get time to post content. Hence, as a thank you for staying with me during this difficult time and also as an apology, I will soon announce a new mega giveaway. Be sure to keep tuned in for that. So, with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to install the best Linux distro I have come across in 2022. It is based on my past favorite, DeepinOS. This OS is called UBUNTUDDE. If you want to check this OS out, I can assure you that it will be the most beautiful and stable OS, which you can use as a daily driver. I installed this on my 8-year-old laptop, which has an i5 4th Gen mobile CPU, and believe me, it runs like a breeze on that old boy. Till date, I haven't encountered any major bug. It's really snappy and intuitive, and damn beautiful as well. I'm going to install this OS as the only one this time around. If you want dual or triple boot with this OS, check out the video in the banner or in the description and follow the same instructions but with the UBUNTUDDE ISO. So, let's get on with the installation. First, we need to create a bootable USB. So for that, I'm going to use a software called Rufus. Open Rufus and plug in your USB drive. Click on the ISO symbol and select UBUNTUDDE ISO, which I have provided link in the description, and click on OK. Remember that this will format your USB. Click on all of the prompts, and once you're done with that, wait for the process to complete. It will take a minute or so, and once it's done, you're good to go. Next, reboot your new or formatted PC after inserting the bootable USB drive we just created. Press the boot menu key when the PC starts to reboot. Research what is the key for your PC since it'll be different for everyone. For my Dell, it was the F2 key. You will get a somewhat similar menu to select the boot device. Here, you have to select the USB drive as your boot device. It will take some time to boot into the live installation environment. Here, you can explore the OS without installing, and if you like it, begin the installation by selecting the Install UBUNTUDDE icon in the top left. A menu will pop up for installation. Here you'll select your preferred language, and once it's done, select your location. Click on Next to select your keyboard. In the Partitions menu, since we are clean installing, I selected Erase Disk and then select Swap to File from the drop-down. Here, enter a name and PC name will be generated based upon it. You can also change it if you want to and then enter your password. Then click on Next to see the summary of your selections and then hit Install Now to begin the installation. Once it's complete, click on Done, keeping Restart Now selected. Once the system restarts, enter your password and you will be booted into this beautiful OS. See how beautiful it looks. UBUNTUDDE has got a pleasing to look at file manager and also a functional dock. This OS has got plenty of wallpapers and screensavers and also customizations such as dark mode and icon themes. It also has a DD store app with a huge selection of Linux software packages, a software updater, and also a notification center. I can assure you, it's good from the get-go. With this, we're pretty much done. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any problems in the installation, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any suggestion for my future videos, you can put them in the comments too. And yeah, please hit the subscribe button and like button if you like the video. And for the upcoming mega giveaway, keep tuned and hit the bell icon to not miss the announcement. With this, it's me, William, signing off. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.